Okay, so I'm going to go over this factoring with an area model idea. And in this problem, the bigger question is, can every expression be factored? So can you rewrite every sum as a product? And remember, referring back to what we were doing before, um, when we're rewriting sums and products, we need this all to be in the context of a rectangle. So in order for an expression to factor, it would have to be able to be formed into a rectangle if we were to build it with area tiles. Um, or with algebra tiles, excuse me. So this particular one, you can see, makes a nice, perfect rectangle. I have 2x squared. There's 2x squared here is like this x squared and this x squared together. We have 7 x's inside, so they're added up to be 7x. And then we have 6 ones. That makes our 6 ones. So we have our area as a sum written out already. What we're going to do now is write it as a product. So we have to find the edge length. So remember, x squared is just x times x. So this would be an x as well. And then these little edges are ones. And finally, I can write my length times width. Along the bottom, I have x plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 2x plus 3. And along this vertical side, I have x plus 1 plus 1, which is just x plus 2. And done. So now I'm going to go to the next example. And as you can see here, a rectangle was attempted, but wasn't quite achieved with x squared plus 4x plus 1. And if you took these tiles and tried to rearrange them again and again and again, what would happen is you would never be able to make a perfect rectangle. So even though you get the edge lengths, the problem here is that we have all of this sort of unused space. We do not have a perfect rectangle. And what that means is that this does not factor, because it does not form a perfect rectangle. So we can't break it down to a length times a width.